Hey, this is CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd let you know we stopped in Litchfield, Kentucky. Yes, Litchfield, Kentucky, which is home of what? Let me let you see. The Fiddler capital of Kentucky, which is home of the Twin Lakes National Fiddler Championship. This is CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd let you know we stopped in. And I want to say hello to everyone in Litchfield, Kentucky. This is CJ the Traveler Man. We're going to be going to every city, town, and village. So spread the word. Like I said, every city, town, and village in the state of Kentucky. This is CJ the Traveler Man, signing out of Litchfield, Kentucky. Peace. Hey, this is CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd let you know we stopped in CANEYVILLE, Kentucky. Yes, it's CANEYVILLE, Kentucky. I want to say hello to everyone in CANEYVILLE, Kentucky. This is CJ the Traveler Man, which the town was established in 1840. So that's a little fact about the town that we stopped in. So we're on our way to the next town. Spread the word that CJ the Traveler Man is coming to a city, a town, and a village near you. Signing out of CANEYVILLE, Kentucky. This is CJ. Hey, this is CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd let you know we stopped in St. Charles, Kentucky. Yes, St. Charles, Kentucky, which was established in 1873. I just want to welcome everybody for joining me on this tour across Kentucky. This is CJ the Traveler Man saying hello to everyone in St. Charles. Make sure you spread the word that CJ the Traveler Man is coming to a city, a town, and a village near you. Peace. Hey, this is CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd say hello to everyone in Dawson Springs, Kentucky. Yes, we're in Dawson Springs, Kentucky. This is CJ the Traveler Man. I want to say hello to everyone in Dawson Springs, Kentucky. Let me tell you a little bit about Dawson Springs, which is in the Hopkins and Caldwell County, which is in the United States of Kentucky. Originally known as Tradewater Bend. The city was incorporated in 1832 under the name Dawson City by two Mason brothers. From later on in 1800s to the 1930, Dawson Spring was also known as Spa and Resort Town Outwood. Veteran Hospital was constructed here in 1922. Dawson Spring is still popular as a tourist destination because of the Pennyrile State Resort Park and the nearby lakes and hiking trails. We have some notable people that are from Dawson Springs, as well as Steve Bashir, which is the 61st governor. Yeah, the 61st governor of Kentucky. Milla Mason, which is a country music artist. Dottie Rambo, which is a gospel music artist. This is CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd let you know we stopped in Dawson Springs, Kentucky. Spread the word that we're coming from every city, town, and village. Yes, we're coming to every city, town, and village. So this is CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd let you know we stopped in and saying hello again to everyone in Dawson Springs. This is CJ the Traveler Man signing out. Peace.